Stop everything right now. I mean it. If you have a Susan B. Anthony $1 coin, this video could be one of the most important things you ever watch. Some people have spent this coin for $1. Others have thrown it in a drawer, but a small number of people discovered that the right Susan B. Anthony dollar can be worth big money. We are talking hundreds, thousands, and in very rare cases, life-changing value. This is not a joke. This is real hidden treasure. I want you to stay with me, because the coin we are talking about today was never supposed to be special. In fact, most people hated it. But one version of this coin shocked collectors and changed everything. Today we are talking about the 1980 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin, and why collectors are paying big money for the right one. Let me tell you a quick story. In 1979, the United States Mint made a big decision. They wanted a small dollar coin to replace paper dollars. They also wanted to honor Susan B. Anthony, a famous woman in American history. So they made this new dollar coin. It was round, silver-colored, and not much bigger than a quarter. That was the first mistake. People hated this coin almost right away. Cashiers mixed it up with quarters. Vending machines rejected it. People felt cheated when they got it as change. By 1980, the coin was already a failure. The public did not want it. Banks did not want it. Stores did not want it. The mint slowed down production fast. Here is where things get interesting. In 1980, the San Francisco Mint was not supposed to make regular coins for people to spend. They were only supposed to make proof coins for collectors. Proof coins are special. They are shiny. They have mirror-like fields. They are made carefully and sold in sets. These coins were never meant to go into pockets or cash registers. So if you see a Susan B. Anthony dollar from 1980 with an S mint mark, it should be a proof coin. That is very important. That S mint mark is the key to hidden treasure. Now I want you to imagine this. Certified examples have sold for several $1,000s. High-grade examples have brought even more. This is the kind of coin that can change a collection overnight. This is real hidden treasure. Now let me reset your attention, because there is another detail that can mean big money. Look closely at the S mint mark. Not all S mint marks are the same. There are two main types. One looks blurry and filled in. The other looks sharp and clear. The blurry one is called the filled S. It is common. The sharp one is called the clear S. It is much harder to find. Collectors want the clear S. A high-grade 1980 S clear S proof coin has sold for over $1,000. Some perfect examples sold for even more at auction. That is big money for a coin people ignore. Now let me tell you something shocking. Even proof coins can have errors. Most people think proof coins are perfect. They are not. Mistakes still happen. And when they do, collectors pay serious money. One error to look for is doubling. This is called a double die error. Look at the words Liberty, Indiana God We Trust, and the date. If you see doubling, like a shadow or extra thickness, that can be a double die. Strong examples have sold for well over $1,000. Even small doubling can bring hundreds. Another attention-grabbing error is an off-center strike. That means the coin design is not centered. Part of the design may be missing. On a proof coin, this is very rare. When it happens, collectors jump on it. Values can range from a few $100s to several thousand depending on how dramatic the error is. There are also struck-through errors. This happens when grease or debris gets between the coin and the die. The result is missing or weak details. These errors are strange, unique, and very collectible. Again, big money. Let me tell you about real sales, because this is not just talk. High-grade 1980 S proof coins with the clear S mint mark have sold at major auctions for over $2,000. Error-proof coins regularly sell for hundreds or thousands. Suspected non-proof 1980s business strikes have sold privately for shocking amounts. Collectors fight over them. So why do most people miss this coin? The answer is simple. They think modern coins are not valuable. They think only old coins matter. They see Susan B. Anthony dollars and feel disappointed. They spend them or forget them. Meanwhile, smart collectors quietly search for hidden treasure. Condition matters more than almost anything else. A tiny scratch can destroy value. Fingerprints can hurt value. Cleaning a coin can ruin it completely. Never clean your coins. Leave them as they are. If you think you have something special, put it in a safe holder and consider professional grading. Here is another warning you need to hear. The window is closing. As more people learn about this coin, more examples get graded and locked away. Prices rise. Supplies shrink. The people who win are the ones who look early. I want you to imagine this. You open a box, a drawer, or a coin album. You pull out a Susan B. Anthony dollar you forgot about years ago. You check the date. It says 1980. You check the mint mark. It says S. You check the surface. It does not look like a proof. Your heart starts racing. That moment has happened to real people. This is why I make these videos. Not to hype junk. Not to waste your time. But to help you spot hidden treasure and big money before everyone else does. So here is what I want you to do right after this video ends. Check your coins. Check your Susan B. Anthony dollars. Look closely. Use good light. Take your time. Do not assume anything. The coin that could change your collection might already be yours. And let me say this clearly. This is not the only coin like this. There are many modern coins with life-changing value hiding in plain sight. Most people never learn about them. But you are here. You are learning. If you want more videos like this, more hidden treasure, more big money coin stories, and more real examples that collectors are paying for, subscribe to Old Chiller Coin right now. Turn on notifications. Do not miss the next video. Because the next coin we talk about might not be in a coin shop. It might not be in a museum. It might be in your house, your drawer, or your pocket right now. Check your coins. Stay curious. And remember, hidden treasure favors the people who look.